So this is a new set of videos I'm doing, man versus CNC versus laser. I'm looking for my next video ideas. So comment an idea below. Appreciate your help. All right, guys, so this is my first time hand carving a sign using a router. I used the laser to put my words on there. Now we're going to use the Harbor Freight Bauer trim router by hand. Wish me luck. No idea. We're going to use the same 60-degree V-carve bit that we used in the CNC. All right, guys. So this is before any sanding. This is the CNC. The CNC messed up and the spindle that spins it stopped right here and wouldn't go any further. So I don't know what the problem is. I'm new to CNCs. It's only an 80-watt spindle, so it's very underpowered. I had to tweak the speed settings a lot. Then we've got the laser version. That always looks really good. We're just going to sand it down. And then here's the hand routed. This is my first, This is my first hand routed sign. I learned a lot. If you want to follow someone that actually knows how to hand route signs, I'll tag Tina in the comments. But I learned a lot. So now let's sand these, and I'm gonna add some paint to the 2 carved signs, and let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, so we've got 3 results. Let me show you what they look like. The first one is carved on the CNC. This is the job that messed up in the middle of it. It was going to take the CNC around 2 hours to finish it because I had to keep slowing it down. But I finished it with black paint. A couple of things here. I could see this really being a cool effect. You see a lot of depth and variation. That's a really unique sign. So I do like that. Whoop! I do like that, but I've got to figure out the CNC a lot better. Like I said, I'm a very new CNC guy, so bear with me. Then we've got the laser. This is what the laser version looks like. Very repeatable. This took 5 minutes. But it's not as unique. And you can find this anywhere. The last one, this was my first time hand routing a sign or letters or anything like that. To be honest, I like it a lot. I don't know. I think it has a lot of potential, but a couple of things to think about. I thought I would use the laser to draw the letters for me so it would be easier. And it was easier, but I think I went too deep because you can still see the black marks. And I sanded pretty well. Another thing, I used the V-groove bit. I think that plays a big role in your bit selection. And then, depending on the bit you use, I think this would look a lot better and I would have done better if I would have made the text quite a bit bigger. But, you know what? For my first time, I'm pretty stoked about that. Now, if you want to see an experienced sign maker freehand routing, go check out Tina at Rainy Ridge Woodworking. I'll link her channel in the description. Shout out, Tina. What's up, girl? So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, please hit that like, subscribe, and hype all the stuff. So appreciate you guys watching. Catch you on the next one. Now, lessons learned on this project. I'm going to watch more of Tina's videos from Rainy Ridge Woodworking. She does a lot of sign carving freehand on a router. So I need to really pay attention, see what bits she uses, and tips and techniques that she uses. My big thing was, this is the faceplate that I made myself on the laser. The one that came with it was even smaller. But I think what I'm going to do in the future, if I carve more signs, I'm going to make a larger base plate that has 2 handles so I can really control it. A second thing is, I think I need a light pointed at the work surface because it was kind of hard to see under there. And then a third thing was choosing the right bit. I definitely need to learn about that a little bit more. Now for the CNC, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this, install this Harbor Freight Bear router into the CNC so that I get more power, because that little 80-watt spindle is like a glorified rotary tool. It's very weak. So we're going to try it. So look for that on some of the upgrades we've got coming up. Hope you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Okay.